So you want to start an OnlyFans, huh? You want to spin your dick or rub one out on camera? All right, well, stick around. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to go about doing it. You're going to want to hear this. All right, so you made it up in your mind you want to do an OnlyFans, but you're trying to figure out how to go about doing it. Well, as someone who has an OnlyFans and streams regularly, I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks on how to go about doing it. Especially since when I started, no one pretty much showed me the ropes. Firstly, I'm gonna tell you, if you want to make an OnlyFans, make it and do not give the link to anyone. Upload, just every time you feel horny. Record that shit. If you have permission from whoever your partner is, record it. Then upload those content to your OnlyFans. But don't give anyone the link. The reason I say that is because when you start passing the link out, people are gonna come and then they're gonna scroll through quickly. You know how quick you watch porn, so you know how quickly you can go through certain stuff. So I'll say if you're planning to make an OnlyFans, give it like a month ahead before you put out the link, and then slowly every day take pictures, record, add it up, put it on there. Because when these horny motherfuckers come around and they seeing that shit, they gonna run through your shit quick, and you don't want to make it feel like a burden to post content every day, because it can feel like that. You be like, damn, I gotta post something. I haven't posted nothing in a while. I don't want to lose subscribers, and so on and so forth. Secondly, please, for the love of whoever you believe in, men, oil or grease up your damn dick. Nobody wants to see an ashy dick. Nobody. Oil that shit. That applies to the black men. I don't know if white men get really ashy, like, oh, whatever, it don't even matter. But oil it up. And then thirdly, fellas, remember this. When you push out your content, you're gonna get a lot of male subscribers. So if you're not comfortable with that, I don't know what to tell you. You're gonna get a lot of male subscribers. So don't be no sensitive ass dude or, super masculine. Oh, I don't know. Nah, trust me. You're gonna get other men coming to check your shit out. And if you don't fly that way, it's fine. It's about enjoying yourself and making money. That's what it's about. Don't think about nothing else. Just do that. Then I would say, make sure you're comfortable. That's if you're not going faceless. If you're going faceless, then what I'm about to say next won't even matter. But if you're showing your face, make sure that you're comfortable with people finding out, because they're gonna find out. You might start a new Twitter, Instagram, whatever, and if you get a little buzz, all those people you're trying to hide it from, they gonna find out. So just make sure you're okay with, once you push that shit out, you're like, yeah, this is me. You can't tell me nothing. You know what I mean? Just do that. Then I would say, promote. Push it down their faces. Hey, here's my OnlyFans. Join the OnlyFans. Here's my OnlyFans. Like for me, example, I stream on Twitch and YouTube. I play Apex, Overwatch, and stuff like that. I legit changed my in-game name to my OnlyFans. I really did. And then when I'm playing these games, people are like, oh, is that really are you really on OnlyFans? I'm like, yes, go check it out. Go check it out. So you want to promote Instagram, Facebook, Reddit. You walk in a grocery store, have a shirt on with your goddamn with your OnlyFans shit on it. Everywhere. Let people know. I got this good shit. You want to buy it? Come get it. Those are some things I would tell you to go along with and follow. So please, that ashy dick one is very important. Very important. You see how I'm staring at you intensely as I lean in? It's very important. And then you see that's a starting basis for doing it. I mean, it's gonna be easier for certain other people, to maybe someone look better than you or this, that. Don't worry about none of that shit. do your shit. Put your effort into it. Don't just make a lazy video and just throw it up there. You know, hit them angles. If you want to, you could go over to my Twitter and see some stuff. But I warn you, my pinned tweet is crazy. So don't tell me I warned you. Just go over there, soak up some knowledge, and then if you want to sign up, I'm gonna put my link, my referral link in the description. Sign up, follow me on Twitter. Be like, yo, I signed up to OnlyFans, do your shit. Blah, 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 blah. You post on Twitter, I'll RT you, get your little exposure, because you gonna be making money. I'm gonna be making money. I'm gonna work hard just to make some money. You know what I'm saying? But that's it for now. I'm gonna update a little bit more. I think about certain shit that could help y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. You know what I mean? Later.